In this video, we're going to take a look at the different Miele spin cycle and what each one does. So over here, if you look at this panel right here, these are the different spin cycle. You can see when I tap on it, different times changes. Now at 1400 RPM, this is the how much speed it will spin per minute. So this is the maximum spin speed. Clothes come out the driest, but fabrics may wrinkle more when you put on 1400. At 1200 RPM, it's a very high spin, good for cottons, towels, jeans, and bedding. At 900 RPM, medium high spin, it is suitable for mixed fabrics and everyday clothing. At 600 RPM, it's more for gentle spin, better for delicate fabrics, shirts, and garments that crease easily. Now this one here is a water bucket. It is a rinse hold. Now this basically stops after the final rinse. With clothes sitting in the clean water, it helps prevent creasing until you are ready to continue. Press the spin or drain later to finished. So over here, later when you're ready, you can turn it to spin or dry to finish off. And on spin or dry, it is only 12 minutes. Okay, and on the last option here, you can see there is a spiral like a circle with a cross running across it. Now this is a spiral options. No final spin, so there is no spinning if you choose this option. There's no spinning, and it is a cycle, a spin cycle only. So it's basically allow your clothes to sit in there, and it doesn't it drains the water, but it doesn't do anything. So essentially, the washing machine will skip the final spin, leaving clothes much wetter to protect delicate fabrics. Such as a wool jumper. If you have a wool jumper, you don't want it to stretch, you can leave it to no spin. And that's it. So to quickly sum it up, for 1400 RPM, you want to use it for cottons or towels. For everyday clothing, maybe you want to put it between 900 or maybe 1200. 900 maybe more ideal. For delicate clothing, such as a shirt, you want to put it down to 600. And for very delicate items, maybe you don't want to have it any spin at all, and you can drain it outside. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.